Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL the short and sweet in chemistry. Now I am explaining the physical chemistry. The chapter is chemical kinetics, and here we will see the formulas. What are the formulas? Very important formulas by which one can solve the problem. So the chapter is chemical kinetics, and here it is for class 12th. And now we will see one by one what are remaining here. In part 1 already completed some formula, and here we are going to one by one. For zero order reaction, R equal to minus KT R0. What is the meaning here? R having square bracket, that is final concentration at time T, and this is K is the equilibrium constant. And now here R0. R0 is the initial concentration at the time 0, initial concentration. If you will get a slope from the graph, concentration versus time, the slope equal to minus K, intercept equal to R0, and similarly R0 means initial concentration. But now here from the graph you can say slope equal to minus K, intercept equal to R0. Then come to first order reaction. The formula K equal to 2.303 by T log R0 by R. That means instead of 2.303 we can write and into log you can write ln. So what is the conclusion? 1 by T ln R0 concentration by R concentration. So if you explain that equation, then what is the meanings? Ln R equal to minus KT plus ln 0. Ln R and minus KT plus ln R0. It is the equation formula y equal to mx plus c, where that intercept is c, and formula y equal to mx plus c. You see the equation before that. What is that? Here ln r, this equation. What is the here y mean ln r, mx plus c. So c is the ln R0, that is intercept, K equal to minus slope. If the graph between, now you can see if the graph between log R0 by R, log R0, concentration sign you should put, otherwise it is meaningless. So here this is R, that is final concentration at time T. So if the graph is ln R0 by R versus T, then what happened? Slope equal to K by 2.303. Slope equal to K by 2.303. Rate constant by volumetric method. If it depends on volume, what is the rate constant? What is the equation? Rate equation you can see here. And so rate constant equal to 2.303 by T log V infinity divided by V infinity minus Vt. What is the meaning? V infinity means volume at infinite dilution. Vt means volume at time T. So Vt at any time. So T, you can say here T means at any time, and this is infinite time. No, not volume of gas collected at infinite time. Sorry, not is volume that is infinite value. This is infinite time. So volume of gas collected at any time. So this is the formula. What is the formula again? Tell K equal to 2.303 by T log V infinity divided by V infinity minus Vt. V infinite means volume of gas collector at infinite time. Vt means volume collected at any time, volume of gas. And other method that is very important by optical rotation method. By optical rotation method. So here what happened? What are the data you should know? R0 angle of rotation in start means time value 0. In the starting angle of rotation. RT means angle of rotation at any time. And here R infinite means angle of rotation at infinite time. So this value you should know. R0, RT, R infinity. I hope it is clear. Infinite means infinite time. T means at any time. 0 means at starting. So if here the condition I want to put here. If R0 is not value given in the equation, if R0 is not given your given problem, then what is the formula change? See, R0 not given, that has no value. Then here the value comes to K equal to 2.303 by T log R infinity divided by RT minus R infinity, because here R0 is not given. If R infinity is not given, then what to do? That value should put 0. Then above what happened? R0 by RT. Then what is the conclusion? K equal to 2.303 by T log R0 by R infinity when R0 by RT when R infinity is not given. So now what is not given, then what is the equation you should know. Then initial concentration is R0 at time T0. Concentration after one half life period. One half life, that means what happened? One half means just R0 divided by 2. At T, that is T half. T half, that is called one half life. Nothing written, then 1 T half, that means 1 half life. Then what is the formula? R0 by 2. If concentration after 2 half, here that is 2 half. 2 means 2 T half. So here R0 by 2, this total value come, take your half of this R0 by 2, it equals to R0 2 square. 2 square means here what is the T? T equal to 2 T half. Well, that is 1 T half, this is 2 T half. And then here we can say concentration after n halves. N half means T half, that is multiplied by n. So see here at a T equal to, what is the T value? N T half. N times T half. And what is here? That means here in terms of initial concentration. See, you can observe when 2 halves, 2 square. When n half, then 2n. R0 by 2n at T equal to n times T half. Now I hope clear this one. Don't be confused. And now R is reactants, P is products. Then simply, again I come back to simple equation. Rate of 1, you know, when R is reactant, P is product, then R concentration decreases, lastly disappear. And P product concentration increases. So in terms of reactant, rate of disappearance of R, the R means reactant disappearing, decrease in concentration of R divided by time taken. When you observe the reaction is going on, the reactant decreases, product increases, Then what is the rate of disappearance of R? Decrease in concentration of R by time taken. So how in mathematical you can put this value minus del R molar concentration by del T. The time is T, a time T, and you should know decrease in concentration of R. Similarly, what is appear? Product is produced. So rate of appearance of R. So what happened? Increase in concentration of product, not reactant. You should write it P. P means product. So rate of appearance of P, that is increase in concentration of P divided by time taken. Now in mathematical, how can you put? Since this product is produced plus sign, and since R is decreased, that is a negative sign in equation, first equation you can observe, and second equation when in the word is used appearance of P or increase the concentration of P, then plus del P concentration by del T. This is del R by del T. This is called average rate. What is average rate? Delta X by delta T in terms of R or in terms of P. So here equal to in reactant minus sign, in product plus sign. So you put the value average rate equal to minus del R concentration by del T plus del P concentration by del T. Minus plus, don't forget you should apply because R reactant decreases, P product increases. Now if you say this is called average rate, when you say instantaneous rate, instantaneous means suddenly means when delta tends to 0. When you say delta is near about 0, it tends to 0, then del X by del T, what you will change? dx by dt. This is in mathematical approach. When T tends to 0, then here delta T tends to 0, it changes to dx by dt. Rate of reaction, suppose a big reaction is there. A, B, C gives C, D. That means this is reactant side, A and B. These are the mole of reactants. This side, product side C and D. Then what happens? How can you write? Then here also very important formula. If A, instead of A, 2 is there, then how to write? Minus 1 by 2. Now here A is there, A, small a. You put here minus A. Here you can see minus 1 by A. And here that is del A by dt, because A is the reactant. Now it equals to other reactant also there. So minus 1 by B, del B by del T. Are you clear? Rate of if a long reaction is there, 2 reactant, 2 products are there, and moles are there as A, B, C, D, then what to write? The moles you will write here, if it reactant side minus sign, you will put minus 1 by A, delta A by delta T, equal to B also minus because reactant, minus 1 by B, del B means reactant molar concentration by del T, or what is left again in product side all become plus. So here see, it is a big line, big equation. So this is equal to 1 by C and del C by del T. Del C means this is a capital one. So you can write properly because it looks small one. So you can observe this is capital. Capital means this is reactant. Here it is reactant. So put a capital. And it is small. This one is a small one. So small means here you can say moles. And plus equal to plus. Again plus because product. 1 by D, del D by del T. And here see moles represented by small C and D, A and B. and capital D, that is the C and D, these are products, A and B, these are reactant. Then here partial pressure can be calculated from ideal gas. You know this one from 11th class, and this is Pb equal to nRT. So P equal to nRT by V. That is C RT. N by V mean C concentration, N mean mole, V mean volume. Then here that equation also you can represent it as W by M. What is W by M? W by M mean N, small n. So you put W by M, and then what is mean W by M, that is N. And instead of N you are putting this one. Then you will see W by V. What is that? Density. Density equal mass by volume. So here you can write density equal to mass, W by V. Here W by V. W is the mass by V. So instead of all, you can put dRT by M. dRT by M. So when mole fraction is given, P equal to P total into mole fraction of gas. So you should know mole fraction, that is here P, that is equal to what happened? P total. The value should be given P total and molar reaction of gas, and P equal to mole fraction. P total means total pressure. So molar fraction of gas. P total into molar fraction of gas. So again see, P can be calculated by nRT by V. Instead of instead of N you can put W by M. Instead of W by V you can put D. This is the last equation. And so mole fraction. When mole fraction here P equal to P total. So what is P here? Partial pressure. See correctly. This P means partial pressure. P total means how many gases are there? That is a combination of all pressure. Then here molar fraction of gas. X means molar. You have to X. You can write here X. So now it is clear, I think. I told before this P as molar fraction. So that is not true. This is the partial pressure and this is the molar fraction X. X molar fraction of gas. So I hope it is clear. P equal to P total into X. X means molar fraction. P total means how many gas are there, that combination, and P is the partial pressure. So Arrhenius equation, this is a new equation, and K equal to A e to the power minus EA by RT. This is a e to the power minus EA by RT, the fraction of molecule that have kinetic energy greater than EA. See, EA also energy of activation. Arrhenius equation means K equal to A into e to the power minus EA by RT. This is the fraction of molecules having kinetic energy more than greater than EA. So EA having more kinetic energy. If you want to break this one, then what happen? If you are using ln both sides, then what happen? E to the power minus EA by RT breaking. It gives minus EA by RT, and A changes to ln A and K changes to ln K. ln mean what? ln mean 2 point. See here. ln mean 2.303 log. So suppose I want to say ln A. Let here write ln A. Then you write log A. Clear now? So you want to simplify ln mean 2.303 log. And here these are the ln k, that is simple general equation. If there is a deviation, there are two types of K1 temperature T1, K2 temperature T2. See here, ln K2 minus A by RT2 ln plus ln A. If you will write ln, you don't write log. If I want to divide this two, K2 by K1 ln K2 by K1, then see here, you take value K2 by K1, then you will minus what to do? Here log K2 minus log K1, that is equal to ln K2 by K1. So here that is equal to EA by R, and one is 1 by T1, another is 1 by T2. So make minus 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. Then again you want to simplify, then what happened? In the ln, instead of ln, you want to put log. Put log means 2.303, you are putting right side, because ln taking that changes to log. So here 2.303 multiply by R. So what happened here? Log K2 by K1. What is log K2 by K1? I told also. That means log K2 minus log K1. This is the value that is equal to log K2 divided by, K1. So this is the value, T2 minus T1 by T1 T2, and multiplied by EA 2.303 R. That means log K2 by K1 equal to EA 2.303 R multiplied by T2 minus T1 divided by T1 T2. Suppose graph you will draw between log K and A1 by AT, that is log K versus 1 by T. T means temperature, K means equilibrium constant. So what is the intercept value? Log A. If I will draw the graph between log K1 by T, see the formula, simply log K. Log K equal to, see here, log K equal to, or ln K. Here ln K only there, log K is not there. Then you see simply K2, log K2 by K1 here you can draw. If the graph between versus log K and 1 by T, then intercept is log A, and slope equal to minus EA by 2.303 by R. That means again slope is very important. Slope equal to minus EA by 2.303 R. So you can write here another line also, because this is not here it is available place, general one, because the graph is drawn with the general formula log K equal to minus EA by RT plus ln log, you will write log A. See here, this is Y, this is MX plus C. See the intercept, see, correct? Slope equal to minus EA. You should put small a, not a big A. So you should put small a. So here A, this area is MX, this area is C, this area is Y. That means Y equal to MX plus C. See, you can find here slope, M means slope, M what? Slope minus EA by R T. So sorry. Here you should write 2.303. So minus EA by R T separating because you are drawing this one, graph this versus this. Clear now? In the form y equal to mx plus c, and you can find here. I think it is not, if it is not clear, then can I try here? Log हो जाएगा लगभग. It may be possible. Log k EA by 2.303 R T plus log A. Yes, it is possible. It is C, mx, this is y. Sorry. Log K2 by K1, that conclusion equal to EA by 2.303 by R T2 minus T1 divided by T1 T2. EA, the energy activation, T2 temperature at K2, T1 temperature the rate constant K1. Rate constant K1. If the graph is plotted between log and T, slope equal to this value. So here this is very important equation, log K2 by K1 equal to EA by 2.303 R T2 minus T1 by T1 T2. So I hope all the minimum formulas I have explained here, try to understand, and by the help of this formula you try to solve the problems.